At the Hotel, Conversations Part 1. Good morning. This is the Shining Hotel in London. How may I help you?
Hi, this is the Shining Hotel in London, right?
Yes, we are, sir. How may I help you?
I would like to have a reservation for the next weekend.
Sure, I'll connect you to the sales team. Please wait for a second. This is Shining Hotel. How may I help you?
Hi, I would like to have a reservation for the next weekend.
Please give me your detailed staying time, sir.
From Friday to Saturday.
So it will be from the 13th to the 15th of this May, right?
Yes.
How many rooms do you want to book, sir?
Only one, my girlfriend and I.
So it's going to be a room with one bedroom. What type of room do you want to book, sir? We do have a standard room, deluxe room, and suite for a couple. Plus, we have a cabana room, villa, and penthouse with more facility, convenience, and services that will bring the best time for you and your girlfriend, sir.
Sorry, I'm French and my English is not really good. Can you say it again and slower?
Sure, sir. What type of room would you like to stay in our hotel? Our rooms have a lot of types with different prices that can comfort you.
The room I will stay. A room for couple, about $600.
So I think the deluxe room will be suitable for you, sir. It's $535 per night. And for a deluxe room with a view of the square and balcony, it will be $550.
Maybe I will take the balcony. $550. That's good. Including VAT yet?
This price doesn't include the VAT and service charge. Our service charge will be 7%.
Does this room include breakfast?
Yes. It's a full continental buffet every morning, free airport shuttle service, and the use of the hotel's facility like pool and gym center are all included.
So it includes a buffet in the morning.
Yes.
And you say you have a free bus to the airport, right?
Yes, sir. Free airport shuttle for the 2 ways. After reservation, you can give us your full name, flight number, and your arrival time, and we'll take you to the airport.
Wow, that's great. Okay, I will take that room. What time for check-in and check-out?
Well, check-in for you on Friday can be any time after 2 p.m., and check-out will be on Sunday before 12 p.m.
We will arrive around 10 a.m. And I remember, it takes about 30 minutes from the airport to your hotel, right?
That's right, sir. So you'll be at the hotel at 11 a.m. We can have you an early check-in, sir.
Early check-in? That's great. Thank you.
You're welcome, sir.